best builder in Hernando County at the best model in Hernando County. I'm here at the Arthur Ruttenberg model in gorgeous, prestigious, gated Southern Hills community. And this is just under 3,500 square foot, just sold for about $1.2 million, fully furnished. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features. I think this is going to blow your mind. So guys, I could really talk all day about this model, but in the interest of time, let me talk about some of my favorite features. So the first one is this gorgeous open entertaining space. As you come in through the front door here, you have these vaulted ceilings, opens up to the kitchen and then into this gorgeous living room, and check out the fireplace just here as well. So I love this space. The bar is plenty big enough for 4, and you know I'm a foodie, you know the kitchen is my #1 room in the house. Nothing that a chef would not love about this. And then right next to the refrigerator here is the hidden walk-in pantry. One of the other features, which I am a sucker for, and again, Arthur Rottenberg is one of the only builders that is doing it, is these doors here behind me actually open up all the way. So let me show you how that looks real quick. This is how you get true outdoor living indoors. Just look at how that looks. Imagine having this during the winter where you can actually make your outdoor living space feel like the indoor living space and make so much use of it. The pool is gorgeous. I'm gonna take you inside the main bedroom and show you some of that. So this main bedroom is a real tranquil escape. It's completely separated from the other bedrooms. It does have the little office space off of it. So if you work from home, that's an awesome space to be able to use. But this really is your own little private suite back here. Now they have 2 walk-in closets, which are plenty big enough, but one of my favorite features again is this main bathroom where it has the standing tub inside of the shower enclosure. Again, I'm a sucker for one of these standing tubs, and it's just a really clean, cool aesthetic. I think you guys will love it. Now let's go take a look at one of the other favorite features, which is the outdoor living space, because we're in Florida. We have to have a great outdoor space. So you already know that this outdoor space is not going to disappoint. We have this gorgeous covered area behind me, which expands all the way around here to this outdoor summer kitchen. Then we have the open and exposed area with this fantastic pool with a fireplace running along here. And who can not look at the putting green? I'm a golfer, we're in a golf community. Why not have the putting green in your backyard, huh? So again, guys, just part of the allure of living in Florida is being able to be outside so much. And so to have an awesome outdoor space like this and be able to take advantage of it is invaluable. So guys, that's gonna do it for the Arthur Rottenberg tour today. I hope you enjoyed the home as much as I love touring you through it. As always, be sure to reach out to us for any of their inventory or for information on a custom build. The inventory starts at $950,000 in Southern Hills, or if you're interested in any more of the new builds in Spring Hill, Brooksville, or Wesley Chapel. Now, be sure to hit the notification button to get notified of new videos when we release them. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. Let me know what you thought about this home. Until next time, I'm Ross Hardy from the Hardy team. It's time to love where you live.